Welcome back. Let's start doodling. Today we're going to draw a turtle. So grab a pencil and a piece of paper and let's doodle. Okay, starting right about here on the page, we're going to draw a big curved circle line, but don't close it off. Curve it up like this, and then all the way around over, but don't close off the circle. Nice and slow, take your time. Remember, you can always pause the video if you need more time. Okay, this is the turtle's head here. Now, starting over here, let's draw the top of the shell. It's a big curved line like this. Ready? Up and over. Nice and slow. And then stop right about there. Okay, now at that point, let's draw another curved line for the bottom of the shell. Okay, hook it around and just connect it back to the side of the head. Like this. All right, let's draw one of the feet now. We're going to start here and draw a curved line down. And then the bottom of the foot is a curved line like this. And then another curved line back up to the bottom of the shell. That looks great. Okay, let's draw the back leg now. Another curved line down, and then continue it for the bottom of the foot. Back up to the bottom of the shell. Okay, now we're going to draw the bottom of the turtle's body under the shell. But make sure not to cross over the legs. So stop right there. And we'll draw the belly line starting here across here. Now to draw the other front leg. A curved line starting here and curve it back up to the body. Let's draw the turtle toes now. One toe, two toe. Three toe, four toe. Five toe, six toe. That looks great. Okay, now the turtle tail. It's going to be a curved line starting at the back of the shell and then hooking back to the foot. Okay, now to draw the eyes. Two oval shapes starting here. And then another oval shape over here, starting here. Let's draw the pupils now, with a curved line like this, and the same on the other side, a curved line like this. Okay, inside that, let's draw a little tiny circle, like that, and another tiny circle inside of that shape. Let's color in the eyes black now. Okay, now the nose. A little dot here and a little dot there between the eyes. And now the turtle mouth. A smile-shaped line like this up. And let's draw a little cheek line here. And now the bottom of the mouth. Under here like this. And connect it back up to the mouth. Great! Okay, let's draw the tongue now. In there and color in the mouth black. Okay, now to draw the lines on the turtle shell. Let's draw a curving line starting on the back of the head here, all the way to the back of the shell. Great. Okay, a little line here, starting at the top, down, and another straight line here, down. Now let's draw the lines on the back of the shell, the turtle shell pattern. A line up from there. And now a line across in the middle of the shell. And now a line back towards the bottom of the shell. And then back to that point, connect a line between these 2 points and a line between these 2 points. There he is. Wow, your drawing is looking great. Now, let's add some color to it. Grab your crayons, markers, or colored pencils, and let's color it in. I'm gonna make my turtle green, but you can make your turtle any color you want. Remember to sign your doodle. I hope you had fun drawing with me today. And don't forget, there are no mistakes, just doodles. I'll see you in the next video.